Filing and Hacksawing on MS Square and Pipe.
Hi, my name is Deepthi. A hacksaw blade is made either of low alloy steel LA or high speed steel HSS and is available in standard length of 250 mm and 300 mm. Parts of a hacksaw blade: back edge, side, center line, pinhole, all hard blade. The full length of the blade between the pins is hardened and it is used for harder metals such as tool steel, die steel and high carbon steel. Flexible blade. Only the teeth are hardened. Because of their flexibility, these blades are useful for cutting along the curved lines. Flexible blades should be thinner than all hard blades. Pitch of the blade. The distance between adjacent teeth is known as pitch of the blade. Today, we are going to learn about how to saw along a straight line, curved line, and different sections of metal.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to note filing, marking, and hacksaw on MS Square as per drawing. Filing, marking, and hacksaw on MS Square hollow pipe as per dimensions. Tools required: Jenny caliper, steel rule, pitch blade, hacksaw, wing nut. Equipment required: bench vise. Materials required: raw material, oil. Before starting job, there are some preliminary checks to be made. Those are as follows.
Remove burrs, if any, using a flat second cut file. Burrs are small, rough, and often sharp projections that can interfere with the cutting process. Before you begin hacksawing a piece of metal, it's essential to ensure that the material's edges are free from any irregularities or burrs. Ensure the metal surface is free from oil or grease. Examine the metal piece for any visible signs of oil, grease, or other contaminants. If you detect any oil or grease, use a suitable solvent or degreasing agent to clean the affected area. Check the raw material for its size with a steel rule 300 mm. Precise measurements are crucial in the fitter trade, and before hacksawing, it's essential to verify that the raw material is the correct size and meets your project specifications.
Once the preliminary tests have been made, now it's time to file the raw material. Task 1. Hacksawing on square section. First, we are going to perform hacksawing on square section. Check the raw material size using steel rule. File and finish all sides of MS Square to 75 mm. And maintain parallelism and perpendicularity to each other. Mark and punch as per the drawing. Hold the job in bench vise such that 35 mm projecting outside jaw of bench vise. Hacksaw along the marked lines 1, 2, 3 to the required depth. Hold the job to hacksaw the other 3 pieces. Hacksaw along the marked lines 4, 5, 6 and maintain perpendicularity and parallelism of the job. Deburr the job and preserve it for evaluation.
Note: the cut piece should be parallel and should have uniform hacksawing mark. This means that the cut should be as straight as possible without any unwanted angles or deviations. This ensures that the cut piece has a uniform hacksawing mark and prevents irregularities or jagged edges. Frequently wet the blade with suitable coolant. Use coarse pitch blade for solid material and fine pitch blade for hollow section. Always ensure that the blade is securely attached to the hacksaw frame and tightened properly before making the cut.
Power tools make any job easy, especially when working on heavy metals. This is also true for pipes, fittings and tubes. But what if a pipe fitter wants to make a quick cut? Does he or she have to take out a large circular saw to do the job? If they have the space, time and patience to do that, they definitely can. But sometimes simple is better. In this case, a simple hacksaw can do the job quickly and precisely. So, hacksaws are simple cutting tools for all pipe fitters. Next, we are going to perform hacksawing on square pipe. Check the raw metal size using steel rule. File and finish of MS square pipe to 75 mm. And maintain parallelism and perpendicularity to each other. Mark and punch. Hold the job in benchwise and hacksaw along the marked lines to the required depths. Check hacksawing metal with steel rule. Deburr the job and preserve it for evaluation.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. Hacksaw in a straight line on different sections of metals, channel and T-section. Hacksaw on a curved line on flat section of metal. Thus, we have learnt how to filing and hacksawing on MS square and pipe. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.